Hi, welcome to Jackie Burns Creation. Today I'm bringing you a nice Valentine Day decor. I hope you like it. Thanks for coming to my channel. And please share so I can get more subbies. I took two of the love signs from Dollar Tree and I decided to use the other side. Instead of painting, I am going to put paper on them. So just showing you the back side and the front side. I'm getting some of the big craft sticks from Walmart. They're a nice large craft stick, and I'm just gluing them on. You can also use the large craft sticks that Dollar Tree has. Gives it more support. Now here I am with my big jar of Mod Podge. I'm about halfway through this jar. I've been using it for a few years. I like putting it on with a sponge brush, because you can get a lot in the sponge to make it go a ways. You don't need a great big layer, just a nice thin layer. And here's the paper I got. I think I got this at Hobby Lobby. If I did, it was when it was $1 a piece. Trying to get it on there straight so I don't see any edges. Now there's a couple on the Plaid site named Kathy and Steve. They used to have a show on TV, and they do a lot of the products of Plaid, and Mod Podge is one of the things they do. And I asked her one time, how do you not get the bubbles out, or how do you keep it from getting bubbles? And she told me that she waits about 15 minutes before she puts the top coat on. But I worked with it and just really felt where the bubbles were and tried to smooth them out as best as I can, and I got them out pretty well. And I did wait a little while before I put the top coat on. I'm just lining up the pattern here. See, look, I got it off that one edge. So crazy. It's still not on the edge. Use your hand, or you can use a credit card, or you can use a stick or a brayer or something to work and smooth it out. And the thicker the paper you have, the better it will stick and less bubbles you'll get. If you use very thin paper, you'll get a lot of bubbles. Checking to make sure my corners are down. Now this was after I let it dry for about 15-20 minutes, and I went back and put it on the top coat. Just a nice thin coat. I'm using matte because the original Mod Podge is very shiny, and I didn't need it to be very shiny. It's nice in all the years they've had it out that they've come out with different products. And I think most crafters and DIYers really prefer the matte. Trying to go just in one straight line. Now what I'm doing is I'm sanding the edges. And I've got a sanding block that's a real rough grit because it seems to grab it better than a smoother. It's funny, I keep seeing people show that they get their sanding sponges at Dollar Tree, but none of our Dollar Trees carry them anymore. And that's where I used to always get them. I'd buy a whole bunch at one time. Just getting this last little bit off. There you can see, it's off. Just gives it a nice clean edge. Now I'm using the canvas or burlap bags. Dollar Tree's got them, Walmart's got them, but they're more expensive at Walmart. What I'm doing is I'm putting some batting, polyester fiberfill, and I'm going to put it a little bit in each one, just to fluff it up a little bit, give it some dimension. Using a stick or something to poke it down into the corners. Now I only put part the stuffing part way. I didn't want them real full. Okay, now I'm seeing if I like how they're filled, and I'm going to put flowers in them, and I'm taking the middle one because I'm putting more flowers in that. I've got a rose and then these two red flowers, which I'm not sure what they are, and I'm tying them together with a pipe cleaner. And tell how old I am, same pipe cleaner, a chenille wire. Now I'm putting glue on the top and along the bottom, and then I'm going to stick it on the plaque. And I put them more toward the bottom so the flowers could still be on the plaque. Now this is a pick that I got at Michael's when they were having the 80% off, so I got them for a great price, and this is where I took the flowers from. It's trying to come out of the stem, so I'm putting a little bit of glue on it to keep it in place. Now I'm going to tuck it behind the stuffing. And I've got some greenery I'm tucking in there. Later on I went back and glued the greenery to the flower. Yeah, I'm tightening this up, and I want the rose in the front. Plucked out some greenery so I could put some in front of that. And there it is, all done. And I decided to keep the ribbons on them. I kind of liked them just dangling there. Very simple DIY. Now here I put it on my dining cabinet, and what I did was I tucked in a few more things. I tucked in a little bit of lamb's ear and some white, and you know, I figured I could actually change it up for seasons. I could put something else on. I could actually put a magnet in